Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Prisma. Today we are going to learn about how to update a record in the Prisma. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Last four videos we have already covered about this topic. So those who haven't watched that videos yet, please do watch it, and let's come back to the how to update a record in Prisma. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have to create a new file, that is update records.js. Let's go and create this one. So here we go with this one, update records. Let's add this code. Okay, so previous one we have get a single user with this one, right? Let's word wrap this. Okay, so here we go with this one. So this is by default that we are adding update username. Okay, so here we have a user ID and the new name that you want to update. So here I want to update the name, right? So here we go with this one. So here I want to add the ID over here, whether it's to be 1 2 3 4 whatever. So in the new name I need to pass over here. Okay, so here we can say the updated user. If something goes wrong, it will go with the console.log error, that is error updating, and then finally we will disconnect the Prisma. Okay, update with a new name. So here you can add that I will add my name Rajnikant with the user ID 1. So let's try to save this, and this is update record. Let's go to the terminal and let's node update, sorry it's caps, node node update records. Okay, let's try to hit, and you can see that the name Rajnikant, this one. So let's try to fetch this query all records and see this is done. All records, here you can see this name is updated with the ID 1. Okay, you can check the database also on the same time. If I go to reload this one, you can see it is updated. So you can update with the ID, and whatever data you want to send, you can send it over here like this. Okay, data with the name. If you want to send the email, you can also send the email also. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.